Oh my lord, what is that? Another TOA?
The National Weather